Hello, everyone. My name is Ferlin McGaskey, and I am the Associate Vice Provost for Faculty Affairs and Executive Director of Teaching and Learning Innovation. I got my PhD in higher ed administration in 2006. Um, And during that process, I was an intern in what was then called the Tennessee Teaching and Learning Center, 10 TLC, we called it affectionately. And that was my first exposure to faculty development or educational development. After I graduated and served in a postdoc here at the center, I then went to the University of Texas at Austin and worked in their teaching and learning center, working specifically with graduate students and creating professional development opportunities for them. After a year there, I came back here and was hired as an assistant director. And from there on out, I just continued to work, initially specifically focused on graduate students, but then expanding into other areas around evidence-based teaching and learning, um, uh, facilitating dialogue or creating dialogic classroom environments, working with faculty and developing their courses, and all the things that kind of come with faculty development generally. And over time, continue to develop my leadership skills and expand opportunities for faculty here at the University of Tennessee. And in January of 2025, was appointed in my current position. Primary goal in what we do is to walk alongside faculty, um, and really help them think about what they want to attain or what their desired goals for their students and themselves might be. And then to provide them opportunities to explore the possibilities based on the literature, based on innovative practices that are taking place across the country, groundbreaking technologies, to really achieve those goals in the classroom. We really want to be seen as a partner with faculty and with departments and with colleges, to really attain what they want to attain, to achieve what they want to achieve, and want to be a good resource for them in identifying what will help them do that. This collaboration with leadership in the arts and sciences and across the campus to really establish some fundamental principles of teaching that really undergird the work that all of our faculty do. And seeing that start from, just being a survey and an idea to now being something that is really taking hold and shaping the way in which we do peer observations in the ways that we measure teaching excellence across the campus. It's really showing itself to be a ground up initiative that I think will be that thing that all of our faculty will refer to as they think about designing their course and the way that they teach their courses. Most significant advice that I could give any faculty member is to really identify why they teach. What is the thing that gives them joy when they are with their students? And to really lean on that to shape all of their interactions, to shape the way they design their course, to be the motivation when things get tough, um, because things will get tough, things will become difficult. And it's important for them to be able to draw on something that is uniquely themselves, which is authentic to who they are, to enable them to always show up for their students and create that relationship and that connection with students and with their students to the content of their course.